Welcome to the future of 3D printing collaboration. Today we're excited to introduce the Vertex3D Workspace for 3D printing hobbyists. If you're a 3D printing enthusiast, you know that this hobby comes with its unique set of challenges. We are looking for volunteers to help us format this exciting new workspace. We will select the first 20 who would like to be involved. Hobbyists often face frustrating issues, ranging from printer calibration problems to finding the perfect filament type and ensuring the final model prints correctly. Solving these problems often requires collaboration, sharing knowledge, and learning from the community. Our friends at Vertex3D.com recognize these needs and have given us access to a dedicated workspace just for our community. This shared workspace on Vertex3D is designed to be your central hub for overcoming 3D printing obstacles, fostering a strong, supportive community. It allows hobbyists to share their experiences, troubleshoot, and rapidly find solutions to their printing challenges. Let's look at the powerful features available in the Vertex3D workspace. You can upload documentation, troubleshooting guides, and helpful tips to assist others in the community. Easily share your 3D models, images of your prints, and finished projects for feedback and inspiration. Upload G-code files, share your specific printer settings, and detail the filament types you've used to help replicate successful prints. Getting started is easy and quick. Simply head over to Vertex3D.com and look for the community workspace link we've provided for 3D printing hobbyists. Don't let printing challenges hold you back. Start sharing, collaborating, and perfecting your craft today. The Vertex3D Workspace is built to empower the 3D printing community. Join a platform where documentation, models, and community support are centralized, helping everyone succeed. In the Vertex3D platform are workspaces. One will be assigned to 3D printists, and you will be added as a member. In the workspace, models can be uploaded, and any documentation and 3MF files that will contain the splicer settings. From there, it is possible to share the model with others to identify any modeling errors, any recommended splicer settings from the 3MF file. Stories can be created and comments shared with the member. Markups can be made to illustrate or highlight print characteristics. In the story, images and other media and relevant documentation can be added as comments and directed to any member or members. Whether you are designing for non-commercial use, using one or more of a range of free CAD software packages, or simply downloading from the many available models to print online. A huge thank you to Vertex3D.com for providing this incredible resource to help our 3D printing hobbyist community. We would like 10 or more printists to trial within the printists community. Facebook for printists.